We had some significant drainage issues here that Mike Ware was able to help us out with. Helped us out with a smaller problem up front. We had some ponding up on our driveway, which he was able to correct. So then we had him tackle a much larger job out back here, about 350 feet of dry creek that we had in here. That would accumulate a lot of water, a lot of dirt, a lot of silt, a lot of weeds, constant maintenance, constant cleaning. Mike suggested that we take it all out, bury some pipes, cover it, sod, and eliminate the problem. Yeah, it was a major undertaking. It was a big project. It took him about a month to complete. He was here every day, no matter what the weather. If it was raining, they may get rained out once or twice, but for the most part, they were here every day on schedule and got the project done in a very, very timely manner. I was a little skeptical at first, but wow, was I pleasantly surprised. I mean, it got rid of the issue, got rid of the mud, got rid of the weeds. Now my kids, my dogs get to enjoy the area much, much better. It's very, very nice.